刘安、洪春伟、韦金娣、郝晨晨、陈忠豪、张静、穆玲玲、林凤金、黄大师、杨胜爽。
That device in your hand wasn't made by a machine.
It was made by me. This year, my goal is to take my mom on an aeroplane because her generation, she's not had a chance to experience a plane. I'm from Henan. When I came to Zhuhai from my hometown, it was my cousin who brought me over. I have a right to a fair age. I have a right to work in a healthy and safe environment. There's no strange smell when we enter the workshop. It's very clean with air conditioning. Our machines and our floor are all very clean. My name is Wen Chao. I'm 27 years old. I like to work here, and I have been here for many years. I choose to join this factory because people said this factory was better and the benefits were good. They teach us how to pay attention to quality every day, how to control it, and our quality became better. When I came to the factory, I was quite young and timid. I had never left my hometown before. At first, I didn't understand anything. The management personnel gave me a series of trainings and taught me. I wasn't afraid anymore. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday was Sunday, and everyone had a day off. Everyone had fun, right? At first, I doubted myself if I could be a leader, but I became more confident after I learned from others. I want to know, for our products, are you satisfied when you use them? Do these products give you a lot of joy or happiness in your life? Are you using them in every household, or are they only being used by very few people? Do you have any opinions to give us so we can do better?
Wen Chou is one of 40,000 employees at Flex Zhuhai, about 30 miles from Hong Kong. Thousands of solar panels cover its roofs, powering a community of people, making smart devices that connect our worlds that aren't all that different.
I have a right to a clean air and water environment.
I have a right to a fair wage.
I have the right to work in a healthy and safe environment.
I have a right to be respected.
There are about 286 million migrant workers in China, with nearly 77 million leaving their home province for another. It's estimated that 33% of the people who leave their homes for work will be employed in the manufacturing sector, and 22% will be employed in construction. While you've likely never met Wen Chou, she wants you to better understand her world.
My dream is to buy a house here so I can bring my father, my mom, and younger brother here to live with me.
Wen Chou and some of her co-workers come from villages that are sometimes a 3-day train ride away. They are daughters, mothers, fathers, people who have rights.
We have a right to live in an environment with clean air and water.
We have a right to a fair wage.
We have the right to work in a healthy and safe environment.
We have a right to be respected.
When you use these devices, you should know they weren't made in a factory. They were made by Wenchou.
Made by me.
Made by me.
Made by me.
This was made by me. 罗云平、肖军、穆存军、陈航、刘安、洪春伟、韦金娣、郝晨晨、陈忠豪、张静、穆玲玲、林凤金、黄大师、杨胜爽、孙小红、袁天凤、陶波、陈桂珍、黄金芳、胡伟俊、罗孝富、杨玉平、谢亮。